Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove a credit card on Alibaba. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Alibaba application, which of course I've done right here. The next thing is, where exactly can you find Alibaba? You can find it on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Once you launch any of those applications, locate the search bar and in the search bar, type Alibaba. Now follow through the on-screen instructions to install the app. After installing the application, it's going to take you right into the sign-up page. Now in the sign-up page, you're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account. Now whichever one you choose, after signing in, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Alibaba. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to remove a credit card on Alibaba. Now let's say during checkout, all right, you're trying to place an order for a product. You go through the processes to pay, and during payment you added a credit card, and let's say you want to remove the card. Now right here in Alibaba, like from the Alibaba application itself, that's the mobile application itself, you cannot change your you cannot remove your credit card details using the mobile application itself. Yes, you cannot remove the credit card or your debit card using the mobile application. It means you have to head over to the web app. So launch your web application, and after launching your web application, in the home page, go ahead and locate the transactions tab. After clicking on transactions, you're going to see a window where it's going to display, where you're going to see the bank/card account option. Now, once you click on that, you're going to see the card or the bank or the card that you added, the credit card that you added. Once you see the card, just right next to the card, you're going to see an option for you to remove. So click remove to unbind. Now, after unbinding, that's pretty much the process. That's how you'll be able to remove the credit card. So you cannot do that right here in the application, mobile application, but you can do that on the web application. So this is pretty much the process. So click on transactions, click on bank and card accounts, and then right next to the card, click on remove to unbind. And that's pretty much it. Now you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.